Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a new vlog. I just hopped out of the shower and made some breakfast. I just made some bacon and then a latte. I normally don't eat a big breakfast and then I eat an early lunch, but yeah, this was just my little breakfast and I wanted to show you guys. Okay guys, so it is a while later. I just got ready. I took a mirror selfie for Instagram because I hadn't posted in a while and I've just been kind of cleaning up miscellaneous rooms in my apartment. So the main reason that I wanted to start this vlog today is because I'm actually getting a rug in the mail for my living room. As much as I was reluctant to buy a rug because they are so expensive, it definitely needs it, and I know the rug will kind of tie the whole space together. Also, my dishwasher is going, so I apologize if you guys can hear that. So this is what my living room space is looking like before the rug, and the rug I got, I'll put a picture of it on the screen here and then we can see how similar it looks to the picture. The rug I got is a neutrally kind of mauve color pattern, so I'm hoping it will tie in with like the blush tones and the natural tones, because when I was originally planning this room, I did want it to be neutral tones, maybe a little pop of mauve pink and black, and I really don't have many neutral tones or the pinky tones except for the couch and that little print up there. I'm really picky with rugs and the patterns of them, and I fell in love with this one. It's from Lulu in Georgia, and I believe they do have free returns, so if I don't like it I can return it, but that will just be kind of a hassle because it's going to be a really large rug. So hopefully that comes somewhat soon so we can look at it when it's a little bit brighter in here, but we will see. This is the state of my living space right now. This is where I took my mirror photo behind the scenes. I have random potatoes on the floor with these dish towels that I need to wash. And yeah, we're not peeking here, folks. This is my little outfit of the day. I feel like I stopped doing outfit of the days on my channel because I honestly have not been dressing super cute. But I'm just wearing this little blue hoodie from Revolve and then some biker shorts from Yes Style. And then one of my subscribers actually made me these shoes. I will put her Instagram on the screen, but they are so cute and I love them with this outfit. I haven't worn them outside yet, so that's why I'm wearing them inside. But yeah, here's my little comfy outfit of the day. All right, so while I'm waiting for the rug to come, I just want to take this time to tell you guys about the sponsor of this video and a new skincare brand that I've been recently trying out. This brand is called Good Habit, and the collection that I have here is their Rescue Me collection. One of the main things that drew me to Good Habit is that they are dedicated to help defending your skin against blue light, which is really nice because for work and also just for pleasure, I'm always on my phone and my laptop, and there is a lot of blue light involved with that. So in the Rescue Me collection, there is the Clean Scene Micellar Gel, the Texture Magic Exfoliating Toner, the Glow Potion Oil Serum, and last but not least, there is the Water Jelly Dew Cream. I love this stuff. It's so cool looking and it feels really good. It's like jiggly. I love it. So the Rescue Me collection is focused around soothing hydration, even for the most sensitive skin. Regardless of your skin type, all skin needs hydration. So the Rescue Me collection is formulated with skin-loving actives to soothe and hydrate your skin. First of all, there is hyaluronic acid, which is a hydrating ingredient that attracts and retains up to 1,000 times its weight in water. There's also blue tansy, which helps soothe inflammation and reduce redness. And there is blue spirulina, which is a superfood packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential amino acids that help decrease inflammation, improve skin tone, and promote cell turnover. Good Habit's Blue 5 technology does a lot of great things for your skin. It minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It brightens and evens skin. It protects against oxidative damage, and it refines your skin tone and texture. So if you guys are interested in trying these products, I will have a link in the description where you can get 15% off your first order from Good Habit. So definitely check down there if you guys are interested. Okay guys, I just checked the tracking and it says the rug was delivered. So I'm gonna go outside and see if it actually has arrived. Okay, so the rug was in fact outside and I brought it in. It is very long and I'm excited but also nervous to unroll it because what if I hate it? But you know what, I'm gonna unroll it. I'm also gonna move my coffee table so I can kind of figure out where I wanna put this. Hopefully I can get it under my couch without any help because I am by myself. But yeah, let's see. This is me trying to get a thumbnail. It's actually so tall, it's like almost as tall as the ceiling, oh my gosh. Okay. I actually think I'm really going to love it, but basically I can't unroll it all the way unless I start putting it under the couch because I don't have enough space this way, but I think it's really pretty and pretty much exactly what I wanted. I nearly killed myself trying to get this rug under my couch, and I quickly realized it just wasn't going to happen on my own because I can't lift my couch and put the rug under at the same time. I'm just not strong or coordinated enough. So I think I'm gonna try and see if one of my friends will come over tonight and help me because I definitely want to be able to get the rug in place, obviously, but I personally really like it and I'm excited to see it once I actually have it under my couch with the coffee table. But you know what, not a complete flop just yet. I was able to get it out completely flat. It's obviously just not underneath the couch, and what I'm thinking is I just want to put it against the wall on both sides, but obviously that would involve lifting the couch and I just can't do that. But I do think, just looking at it, that it's gonna look really nice. So at least that is exciting, and hopefully I can find someone to come over and help me with it tonight. Some time has passed. I have ordered Shake Shack for a little treat, and I'm super excited because apparently there are new hot French fries. Maybe they aren't new, but this is the first time that I heard of them, and I got them as cheese fries. And then I also decided I was really gonna go all out, and I also got a s'mores shake. So let's do a little unboxing. Here are the fries. It looks like they just have a dusting of this spicy seasoning, and I also got some extra. The shake is actually huge. Just living my best life. I'll let you guys know how the fries are. It is a while later now. I've honestly been so lazy and I've been on TikTok for so long. As an update, those hot fries from Shake Shack were okay. I think maybe if I hadn't gotten like the cheese fry version, it would have been better, but I feel like the spicy powder with the cheese wasn't really it. Hello guys, so it is the next day now and it's actually like 5 p.m.-ish. I got home from work and got ready because my friend Brooke and I are going to grab drinks at a rooftop in Santa Monica. We just needed a girls' night, and this restaurant has socially distant drinks and dining, and it's super cute, so we're going there. I curled my hair for the first time since I got it cut, and I think I like it. I'm not sure if I like it better curled or straightened when it's short. Let me know what you guys think. But I'm also wearing this cute new bodysuit from Revolve. I'll show you guys my full outfit before I leave. And then after drinks, Brooke is actually going to come over here and help me attempt to move the rug under the couch because I didn't have any friends that could come over last night, so it is a tonight task. That's pretty much it. I will update you guys when I'm leaving and will show you my full outfit. Okay, please disregard my unmade bed, but this is my full outfit. Once again, this bodysuit is from Revolve. I'm just wearing some light denim from Revolve. These little heels are by the brand Solsana, And then I'm just bringing a little leather jacket and my Chloe bag, and these sunglasses are also Revolve. So we are going to the rooftop at the Santa Monica proper hotel. It's called Calabra, and I've actually been there before on a date and it was a horrible date, so I'm glad to go again and make up for that interesting experience. Hi. So I may or may not have not vlogged at the bar, but the reason for that is the friend that I was with is going through a breakup, and the last thing I wanted to do was pull my camera out and be like, oh my gosh, let's vlog our night. But I did take photos of the drinks. I got rosé, and then she got a spicy margarita, so I'll put the picture in. I think the picture was cute. I personally hate tequila. I just hate the taste of it, but everyone seems to be so obsessed with spicy margs, and the friend I was with also normally doesn't like tequila, and she told me that I have to try one because the spice kind of masks the tequila flavor. So let me know if you guys think that I should try one. I feel like I kind of want to. Anyways, my friend did come over after, and she was so nice to help me with my rug. So I'm gonna show you guys it under my couch because I think it fits so perfectly, and I'm so obsessed with it and very happy that I have it under my couch now where I want it to be, because if you guys know me, I'm so impatient with wanting things to look how I want them to look. Oh, and of course I had to change out of my clothes as soon as I started moving the couch, because the thought of moving that in a bodysuit and tight jeans was just not gonna happen. Here is what it looks like. Obviously this is artificial lighting right now. I think it'll look a lot better tomorrow when you guys are able to see it with actual sunlight. But look how perfect the rug fits. I tried to get it as close to the wall as possible, and I think we did a pretty good job, and I just absolutely love it. I love the colors in the rug. I'm so glad I got it. And I actually went to go link this on my Instagram story the other day, and this size was sold out. So I'm very, very grateful that I purchased it when I did. But yeah, I'm super happy about this. I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys tonight. I'm probably just going to chill the rest of the night, and then I will come back tomorrow because I think I'm hanging out with Tara and we are gonna take some photos. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I woke up and got ready, and I'm about to go to meet up with Tara. We're gonna take some photos, and then we're also gonna go to this coffee shop that we saw on TikTok. My hair is super curled right now because I curled it tightly because I know it will fall. But anyways, I think the coffee shop is called Chit Chat. It looked so good, and on TikTok they have like a cinnamon toast crunch latte with oat milk, and it looked so good. So I will bring you guys along to that. The place looks really cute as well, and I think they have cool drinks. So that is my plan for today. Here is the coffee shop. Looks super cute. Chit Chat. Here are the drinks. I got the cinnamon toast crunch latte, and Tara got the strawberry matcha
with macadamia milk.
Yes,
like so good.
I am back home now. The latte is almost gone. I guess you can't really tell because I have the little covering, and it was good. So basically I know they soak cinnamon toast crunch in oat milk, and then they use the oat milk in here, so it wasn't like topped with cereal or anything, and it was definitely good. But it was $7, which is just absurd. So I would say maybe try it once just for the novelty, but I probably would not get it again. But yeah, it was nice to catch up with Tara. We took some photos, and then I came home to this large package from art.com. So this is actually a large print, a framed print that I'm planning on putting above my table. So I'm very excited to open this. I don't know how I'm going to be able to hang it by myself. I was hoping that my parents were going to come soon and they would be able to help me, but I actually don't think they're going to come visit me, and if they do, it won't be until like Thanksgiving time, which is a long time. So maybe I'll be able to hang it by myself. It shouldn't be too hard, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. here is the print. It's actually bigger than I thought, but I think it will be nice in that space. The only thing is it's meant to be vertical like this, but my plan was to flip it. I'll show you. So I was gonna have it like this just because I thought a horizontal frame would fill this space better, but the only problem is the little hangy thing is on the back in the way where I would hang it vertically. So I'm gonna have to try and figure something out. Here it is, just like resting on the table, so you can get a little bit more of an idea. I think I decided that I would actually center it between this shelf and the window because I think it might bother me if I do center it over the table, it not being centered on the wall there. So I think that's what I decided, but I'm gonna have to decide, and I definitely won't be able to hang this up ASAP, so I'll have some time to figure it out, but I will link this down below in case you guys are interested. It's only like 4:45, but I realize I haven't eaten yet today, which is very not like me. I never forget, so I'm starving right now. I am going to make this cacio e pepe from Trader Joe's. This is one of my favorite pasta dishes, so the fact that they came out with this made me so excited, and it's really, really great. So definitely try it if you like that pasta dish, and I will show you guys what it looks like once I've made it. It's pretty close to done now, and this is what it's looking like. It smells so good. So I'm probably gonna put some Love Island on and dig into this.